Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, you are very welcome. Please do well to click on the subscribe button, and of course you want to like this video. Okay, so what your likes does to my video, it helps YouTube to know that, oh, this content is very important and other people would like to see it, and then they recommend my content. So please do me the favor and like this video, and if you end up finding something to comment about, do well to use the comment section. To all my OGs, yeah, thank you guys for checking in. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. So today we are not cooking, we are not frying, we are not baking, but we are actually preparing a client order. So this order came in early hours of the day, and this client wanted a box of salad, yeah, vegetable salad, you get. So what I do when I'm taking salads order, firstly I ask the portion, like the bowl you need. If it's a bowl, if it's a tray, if it's a box, I'll ask you the quantity. I have small, medium and large, and this right here is the medium box. Okay, second question I ask, or second request, is for you to list out the veggies, all the content that you want in your salads. So many people don't like so many things, while others like some other things. So I will prefer you list it out, and yeah, I work with that better, because I don't want to give you something that you start picking out from, like you don't like certain things and I will add it and you don't want it in there, or there are some things you like in your salad that I might not include. I want you to actually enjoy what you're ordering for, so I like to go through that when I'm taking salads order. Okay, so the next thing I want you to do is to tell me if you want how you want your cream. Okay, for this client, she doesn't want mayonnaise, milk, whatever cream that is regular here in Nigeria. What this client requested for is like a keto kind of recipe. She wants a dressing, and that consists of olive oil, some lime oil, lemon juice and black pepper, of which I prepared that off cam because I was quite in a hurry to get this delivered. So you're wondering the other chopped carrot there. Like I said, I'll be making some mixed veggies for this client. I'm very sure this client is having a small event but wants to prepare her food herself, but doesn't want to go through the process of chopping salads and dicing for the food. Okay, and yeah, this is my expertise. I love to chop stuff. I love to chop veggies, to slice carrots, to do this kind of things. So it really didn't get me, or it didn't really take a lot from me to do these small portions. Okay, so as you can see, I've added cabbage, some shredded carrots, sweet corn, green peas. I've added red kidney, and there I have some wedges, tomato wedges. I just chopped the tomato in a bigger size. There I have some cucumbers, and yeah, I added some other stuff as well. I added a bit of beetroot. She didn't want beetroot, but yeah, she mentioned it, but I told her I don't know if I can find it to buy. And yeah, when I found it in the shop I went to get the veggies, I just added a bit, because in fact I only found one ball, so, and that was what I added. So I'm actually making this video outside because we don't have electricity. I didn't really plan to make this video. I was just going ahead to assemble my stuff when it occurred to me that I can just show you guys how I go through this process. So as you can see, I've added my red bell pepper. I'm adding the green and yellow bell peppers now. Yeah, you can see this client actually specify what she wants, and I made sure every single thing is there. Okay, usually I might add macaroni, boiled macaroni to my salads when I'm making without a specific request. You get, I can add onion, I can add eggs, but yeah, that is why I always ask you what and what you want in your salads. There I have some sun-ripe mixed fruits. This client is serving kids as well, and she asked for mixed fruits just to add that little bit of sweetness to it. You get what I mean? And yeah, I also added some chopped thin, like smaller chopped apple, okay, just for the sweetness for the kids mostly. Yeah, this is going to like be very sweet in there because they are not using the kind of dressing that kids will like. So the apples and the mixed fruits is actually going to enhance the sweetness in the salad. So I'm just going to round this up, show you guys what it looks like, and then I'll proceed to mixing up my mixed veggies. Okay. So guys, we are done with the salad. Let's go ahead and mix these veggies. So when it comes to veggies, I always like to chop my carrots and my beans in a very evenly way. Like I want it to be looking fine in there. So I went ahead to chop it really fine, and I added the carrot to the green peas because it was in a bigger bowl. And now I'm adding the sweet corn and green peas. And I like using there's one product they call, oh, I can't really remember right now, but it's actually not farros. Okay, farros is bulky. I prefer farros in salad, but because I'm using 1 cup to make both, I had to buy the one I choose for mixed veggies. When I remember the name, I'll say it, but yeah. So I don't use farros for mixed veggies. It's too soft. It's bigger in size and it's soft. So I really do not like the way it comes out. But this one is small. It's strong. Like it's still very, very strong. Unlike the farros that when you put on time, like I'm making mixed veggies. You know, the carrot is not parboiled. Everything here is raw. So when you add farros to this, it's not going to be looking fine because it's going to overcook by the time you are making your rice. So I prefer this product because it's better. Okay, it's stronger in your mixed veggies. Farros, you can use farros for your salad because you actually want it to be tender, right? But for mixed veggies, I prefer this product. I will try to look for the picture, or just remember the name before the video ends. So yeah, what you want to do is to make sure you mix this properly. I usually just go ahead and scale this, maybe 500 gram, 1 kg, but trust my scale to go bad because I don't even know why I waste money on this small scale. They don't last. And yeah, so I'm just going to I bought this. But mostly what I do when it comes to mixed veggies, I ask my clients for their budgets. Okay, asking for budget is going to help you mostly when your scale break down. Asking for budgets, your client might just tell you, I need a 5,000 naira mixed veggies, I need a 10,000 naira mixed veggies, so you know exactly what to buy. Are you getting me? You know the quantity of veggies to buy and chop. Remember, you are not cooking, you are not using gas, you are not making any other expenses on this product. So it's just your workmanship that you need to remove from whatever budget. So you can just go ahead. If your client says your mixed veggie, they want mixed veggies of 5,000, and you know your profit is not going to be more, yeah, you can just tell them, why not make it 7,000, so I can just make you a preparation of 5,000 and gain 2,000, you know, that kind of a thing. If your client is somebody reasonable, yeah, you just want to ask for budget. That way you will not need your skill. Like this order I took, I actually asked for budgets so I can be able to just make it and give out. And I made a little extra because it's school season and I like to have some of this in my fridge as well for my daughter. This is the portion I kept for myself. So I use this for eggs, noodles, pasta, whatever I want to make for my daughter. It's very handy, like it comes in really handy. And if I'm making mine, I usually just chop some onions in there, but this for a client and this is what he likes. So I went ahead to package in this glass nylon, and yeah, you can see how beautiful this looks. So give my video a thumbs up, subscribe, comment. I love you guys so much.